Welcome to our roundup of the best laptops for engineering students. Whether you are coding, designing in CAD, running simulations, or managing heavy projects, the right laptop can completely change how smooth and stress-free your daily work feels. Today, we have selected 5 powerful, reliable, and student-friendly laptops that strike the perfect balance between performance, portability, battery life, and long-term durability. We are going to break down what makes each one special in real-world use, not just on paper, so you can confidently choose the laptop that fits your study style and workload. Make sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Now, let us jump right in. The first on the list is the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The Surface Pro 9 is built for students who want 2-in-1 flexibility, ultralight portability, and all-day battery life in one compact device. What makes this device immediately stand out is how easily it adapts to different study situations. In the morning, it works like a full laptop for coding, writing reports, or working in spreadsheets. In the afternoon, you can detach or fold the keyboard and use it like a tablet to take handwritten notes, draw diagrams, or mark up lecture slides. This kind of flexibility is incredibly useful for engineering students who are constantly switching between different types of tasks. Performance is more than enough for everyday engineering workloads. It handles programming environments, documentation, web-based tools, and even light design or modeling work smoothly. The high-resolution touchscreen display is sharp, bright, and very comfortable to look at for long study sessions. Text looks crisp, diagrams look detailed, and everything just feels clean and easy on the eyes. The keyboard attachment provides a comfortable typing experience, and the large trackpad makes navigation simple and precise. One of the biggest advantages here is portability. This is a laptop you can carry all day without even thinking about its weight. It fits easily into any backpack and is perfect for students who move between classes, labs, and libraries all day long. Battery life is another strong point. You can easily get through a full day of lectures and study sessions without worrying about charging. Of course, this is not meant to replace a heavy workstation. It is not designed for massive 3D rendering or extremely heavy simulations. But for students who value convenience, flexibility, and a clean, modern experience, it makes a lot of sense. Overall, the Surface Pro 9 is a fantastic choice for engineering students who want a lightweight, versatile device that fits perfectly into a busy campus lifestyle. Next up is the HP Spectre X360. This laptop stands out with premium build quality, strong all-around performance, and a beautiful convertible display. The Spectre X360 feels like a high-end machine the moment you pick it up. The metal body is solid, the design is sleek, and the hinge feels strong and reliable. You can flip it into tablet mode, tent mode, or standard laptop mode depending on what you are doing, which makes it great for both work and presentations. In terms of performance, the Spectre X360 handles most engineering student workloads very comfortably. Coding, multitasking, moderate CAD projects, and even some light simulation work runs smoothly. The display is one of its best features. It is bright, sharp, and very color-rich, which makes it great for both technical work and watching content during breaks. The keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions, and the large trackpad is responsive and accurate. Battery life is another strong point. You can easily get through a full day of classes, assignments, and browsing without needing to bring your charger everywhere. Fast charging also helps a lot when you are in a rush between classes. The speakers are surprisingly good, and the overall experience just feels polished and premium. What really makes this laptop special is how well it balances everything. It is powerful, but still portable. It is premium, but still practical. It is flexible, but still feels like a serious work machine. While it is not aimed at extremely heavy 3D or simulation workloads, it covers almost everything else beautifully. Overall, the HP Spectre X360 is an excellent choice for engineering students who want one stylish, reliable laptop that can handle both serious work and everyday tasks with ease. Next, we have the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. This is the performance monster of the list, offering serious processing power, a compact and portable design, and excellent thermal management. The G14 is built for students who regularly use demanding software like heavy 3D modeling tools, simulation programs, or game development engines. Despite its relatively small size, it delivers performance that feels closer to a desktop than a typical student laptop. In real-world use, the difference is immediately noticeable. Compiling code is faster, rendering scenes takes less time, and multitasking between heavy programs feels much smoother. The display is sharp and responsive, which makes both work and casual gaming enjoyable. The keyboard is comfortable and well-spaced, and the build quality feels solid and durable enough for daily use in a backpack. Asus has also done a great job with cooling. Even when the laptop is under heavy load, it stays stable and avoids the kind of performance drops that can slow down your work. Yes, the fans do become noticeable when you really push it, but that is the trade-off for this level of power in such a compact machine. Battery life is decent for normal use, but if you are running heavy tasks, you will want to keep the charger nearby. Still, that is a small price to pay for the performance you get. Overall, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is the perfect choice for engineering students who need serious power for demanding workloads, but still want something they can comfortably carry to class every day. Coming up next, we have the Dell XPS 17. This laptop is all about a massive high-quality display, workstation-level performance, and excellent build quality. The XPS 17 is designed for students who want a big screen for multitasking, design work, and complex projects. The display is absolutely beautiful, with incredible sharpness and color accuracy that makes working on detailed diagrams, blueprints, and models much more comfortable. Performance is another area where this laptop shines. It handles heavy engineering software, large datasets, and multiple programs running at once without slowing down. Everything feels fast, smooth, and reliable. The keyboard is great for long typing sessions, and the trackpad is one of the best in any Windows laptop. The speakers are also surprisingly good, which is a nice bonus during breaks or presentations. This is not a small or light machine, and that is something to keep in mind. You will feel its weight in your bag, and it is more suited for students who move between a few main locations rather than constantly carrying it everywhere all day. But in return, you get a screen that feels almost like a desktop monitor and performance that can replace a desktop for most tasks. Overall, the Dell XPS 17 is an excellent choice for engineering students who want a powerful, premium, large-screen laptop that can handle serious workloads without compromise. The last one on our list is the Apple MacBook Pro M4 Pro. This is the top-tier option, delivering incredible performance efficiency, class-leading battery life, and a stunning professional display. The M4 Pro chip offers a level of performance that feels effortless. Everything opens instantly, heavy tasks run smoothly, and the laptop stays cool and quiet even under pressure. The display is one of the best you can get on any laptop. It is extremely bright, sharp, and color accurate, making it perfect for long study sessions and detailed technical work. The keyboard is excellent, the trackpad is in a class of its own, and the overall build quality feels rock solid and premium. One of the biggest advantages here is battery life. You can easily get through a full day or even longer without needing to charge, which is a huge benefit for students who spend long hours on campus. The laptop also stays fast and responsive even after hours of heavy use, which makes it very reliable for long work sessions. Another big strength is how well everything works together. The system feels smooth, stable, and refined, which helps you focus on your work instead of dealing with slowdowns or noise. Overall, the MacBook Pro M4 Pro is the ultimate premium laptop for engineering students who want top-level performance, amazing battery life, and a screen that makes every hour of work more comfortable and enjoyable. So, that is our roundup of the best laptops for engineering students. Each of these laptops offers something special, whether it is flexibility, power, screen size, or battery life. The best choice really depends on how and where you work. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive and keep building amazing things.